To edit a birthday template in Canva, you want to come over to your template here and go over to searching your template library and search for birthday or whichever of this works for what you're going for. You want to search for it. I'm going to search for birthday, and all the search results comes up. From here you can see that there are templates here, there are story template, there are Instagram post templates. Depending on what you're going for, you can choose that from here. And I'm going to select this birthday template here, and I'm going to click on it. From here, I will click on customize this template. And once the template opens up in the editor, you want to come to your upload to bring in your own files into this template. From here, you can pull in your own files into this template. If I want to pull in videos into the template instead of image, which is currently in it, I'm going to go here and come over to where I have videos stored, and I'll begin to select video to move into this template and go to audio tools and take out the audio from the video. I want to move this video here, take out the audio tool, then I'll continue to add my images into this template. Let's add this image and let's add this image. If you want to position the image correctly, you can click on the frame and come over to crop here and start to position your image correctly. I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to flip this image in the frame. So you see this is better positioned correctly. Also the video, you can tap on the video where you add the frame where you added the video and come over to crop and choose which part of the video you want to be seen in your design. You can also edit the text or add in more text. Once you're happy with how your template looks, you can click on the share button here. Because we added in a video, we might want to download this as a video MP4, or we might want to download as a GIF, so we can use it as an image too. I'll leave this as MP4. You want to hit on download.